once again.
Ready, start. There is no universally accepted definition of child labor. Stop. Generally speaking, a work done by a child under the age of 14 years is said to be child labor. Stop. India has the highest number of child laborers and the number continues to grow. Stop. They are estimated to be over 17 million. Stop para. Child labor means lost childhood. Stop. Childhood is the most sensitive part of the life of every human being. Stop. The impressions received in this period of life are indelible. Stop. Psychologically, the character of a person develops during this part of life. Stop. Wordsworth has wisely stated, child is the father of man. Stop. Children, all over the world, are the future of mankind. Stop. What they get from society today will be returned in the same coin when they are grown up. Stop. In addition to Universal Declaration of Human Rights of 1948, our own Constitution provides certain rights to children and prohibits child labor. Stop. Article 24 prohibits children below the age of 14 years from being employed. Stop para. Article 39 in bracket E and 39 in bracket F also take care of children. Stop. Article 21A added by the 86th Amendment Act 2002, provides that state shall arrange for free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years. Stop. This very amendment has also added Article 51A in bracket K. Stop. It has made incumbent upon parents or guardians to provide education to their children. Stop para. Education is the most potent tool to combat the evil of child labor. Stop. In 2010, the government adopted Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act in bracket RTE. Stop. The government is also spending a lot of midday meal scheme with a view to universalizing primary education. Stop. For all these measures, a study by Child Rights and You in bracket CRY, reveals that 35 million children in the age 6-14 age group are out of schools. Stop para. Compared to many developing countries, children form 5.2% of the total labor force in India. Stop. Poor system of education and poverty are the two chief sources of child labor. Stop. Campaign for Common School System blames the miserable and deplorable quality of education for increasing child labor in India. Stop. The present system imparts minimal skills to children in spite of tall claims on paper. Stop. The state governments have failed to impart meaningful education to children. Stop. Chairperson, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, says that most laws on education do not cover 15-18 year age group. Stop. Most of the child are dropouts and unskilled and end up as part of casual and untrained workforce. Stop. This sector of labor force is fed mostly by child laborers. Stop para. Secondly, poverty forces children of all age groups into work to supplement their family's income. Stop. Sometimes parents mortgage their child's labor to local money lenders and wealthy families. Stop. Moreover, child labor is cheap and safe. Stop. Children are trouble free and their wages are no problem. Stop. Hunger and poverty drive these children to do any kind of menial or hazardous task. Stop para. The government formulated national policy on child labor in 1987. Stop. A national authority on elimination of child labor was set up in 1994. Stop. There are large number of laws to check employment of children as laborers in households, factories, roadside dhabas, tea shops. Stop. But the problem remains unabated. Stop. A nation that cannot look after its children has no right to dream of growing its stature in the Committee of Nations. Stop.